This is our third and final instructional video, which shows you how to measure body mass, or you might know that as body weight. It's actually going to be one of the most challenging measures here, not because it's technically difficult, but the equipment can have quite a big impact on the measurement that you take. These are electronic scales and they measure to the nearest tenth of a kilogram. You might not have these accessible. If you're just using a standard pair of bathroom scales, it would be advisable to kind of test these out against a known weight, maybe a kilogram bag of sugar or something, to see how accurate they are, and also to make sure that the scales are zeroed before the player steps onto the plate. If you haven't got any at home, you could check your local GP practice or maybe speak to other people at the club, and maybe we can arrange for group testing. But the different scales will have a very big impact on the measurement that you collect. So I'm just going to zero my scales here first. Before I measure the body mass, it's important to make sure that there's no additional weight on the individual. So to do that, what I'm going to ask is if they've got any additional heavy clothing or anything in the pockets, take that out. And in an ideal world, we would be measuring in just some shorts and a t-shirt. Okay, so do you want to come in? Yeah, we'll just take that off. Have you got anything in your pockets? All right, great. So I just want you to stand on the plate with your weight evenly distributed between your 2 feet. Okay, great. Just step off for me for 1 second. So I've got that recording, but as anything, when we're measuring heights and weights, we'll do everything at least twice to make sure that my measurement was accurate. Okay, we'll just do the same again. So feet evenly spread across the scales, nice and still. Okay, perfect. I've got the same result both times. Body mass will fluctuate throughout the day, so it can change dependent upon when you measure. The best advice I can give is to make sure that you're not measuring directly after a heavy meal, and that will give us the best chance of a reproducible body mass measurement.